Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and let me show you how to check IMEI number. So you can do it in two ways. The first one is to open your phone dealer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 6 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the whole device information, so whenever you wish to check your IMEI number, it is included here. However, you can also check serial number in this panel. Then tap on OK to exit. And the second method to reach IMEI number is to open the settings, scroll all the way down and pick About Phone. And here, just go a bit lower where you will notice IMEI numbers. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.